Well, good morning. It has been a long time since the last time I actually posted that video. Yesterday, I was actually recording something on PHUN to talk a little bit about divergence and how this company diluted or declared a sale of stock by the end of the day and make the price of the stock decline right back to the opening price during the pre-market hours. Over the last few days. Now, this company came out with news. This is AGFY, and I sent out a tweet and something to StockTwist talking about this particular company. Now, the reason why this one is actually moving higher this morning, it's called AGFY Corporation. It says that it entered into the first hydrocarbon extension lab and some of the stuff in California. Now, California is a state that is actually pushing a lot of new agendas and things that they want to do with the renewable energy and stuff like that. And so I sent it out. I said it's kind of fluffy. I don't know how the market will definitely react to it, but I decided to record this video. I sent it to the Discord and to everybody else, and also the Reddit community, all that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to bring you a small video today. It's been a really long time since the last time that I created a video that I posted it online and in the YouTube channel. If you notice one thing, it had an original spike. The low from yesterday, the closing was $1.13 right now. $2.77 with the very nice spike though, pushing quite more than 100% higher. And again, this is the reason why this thing did this is because it's a vertical farming. Now, I think that farming will be definitely something that it's very important. If you scroll through Instagram, and I have done so over the last few days, I've noticed that there's a lot of people talking about farming and doing stuff in your own backyard, whether you have space or not. So it seems to be something that is actually trending now. People want to do their own stuff. It seems like they don't want to rely on only the grocery stores and stuff like that, especially after the last couple of years. People want to be able to produce more their own things. And so it seems to be something that's trending. We can see nice bull flag consolidation right here, and a nice consolidation around the VWAP, where it created a little bit of a channel here from the $2 and change to a high of 232, and then it was finally able to reclaim that VWAP when it took that topping candle here and a couple of doji candles. Especially this doji here and the small doji here, when it was able to reclaim over the VWAP and push higher from 226, 278. That's basically a 50-cent spike. Now we might be able to sell a little bit of sell. People might be taking partial profits, but I think it's gonna break and create fresh heights right now over the next minute or so. We could see some prints at 277. A little bit of resistance. Let me just bring this a little closer here. That's the fresh new highs right there. I think close to the $3 mark, you might gain a little bit of resistance. We can see one of the things that I don't really appreciate too much about this particular platform, which I think is very convenient, especially if you're gonna start new to trade. Let's just keep an eye on it. And this might be a 1 minute bull flag here. And it might just give it this nice spike and a little bit of consolidation sideways when people actually start to take profits. But let's watch the low of this candle here, about the $0.5 around the 250s. And so let's see if it's just going to spike and give us a nice bull flag to then come right back up and give us a fresh highs. But still 50 area, the $0.5 right here will be something that will be definitely interesting to watch. One of the things that I don't like too much about Thinkorswim, now that it was purchased by Schwab, but even when it was TD Ameritrade, it is a the level 2, box here, it's definitely not something that I like too much. This is not a platform that I use too much for trading, other than swing trading and maybe long-term holds. But it's for me, it's a little bit more difficult to be able to read the box. Although I have a couple of videos here of how to read the box, level 2 box here. But again, I just wanted to bring you this video. I thought that it was somewhat fluffy news, but you can see here that for the last couple of days, everybody's jumping into whatever's moving, because people are looking for the next big thing that it's coming into the market. 250 area will be a key area here. Might not go to there before it actually holds support and holds up a base and comes right back up. As you can see, we have another doji right here, but 280 highs as of now. If people actually just took profits on this area, and we might be able to see a little bit of a base support, but 250 will be a key support area to watch out for if it's going to be a 1 minute bull flag pattern on the 1 minute chart. So again, just posting this video live, since it's been a while since I posted a video. 21 minutes to the market open now. So watching this thing, and I wanted to bring you something nice and fresh. As you see here, we have the daily, which shows that it's been declining for the longest time now. We have the low here in this candle, which is a 109, and 113th, which is very, very close of the last couple of months here on December, right? So we can see that there's a chance that we might be able to hold that support around this area and roll over right back up, especially if there's a lot of traders that participate in this thing, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of stuff moving stuff this morning. So I think that traders are just looking for the next big thing. That's not necessarily the next big thing, but the one thing that will move. And so because of that, it doesn't seem to be a lot of stuff moving. Farming seems to be a trend, and especially again, California is a state that is actually promoting a lot of stuff, green energy, and they have EVs and stuff like that. Regulations have been like pushed really hard in California compared to other states. So vertical farming and this kind of stuff might be something that will probably provide a little bit of a spike today. And being that there's really not a lot to see this morning, this can be a stock that traders jump into just to see if they can squeeze something out of it, and that's the reason why we might see a nice spike today. And as of now, it's definitely something that spiked long compared to the opening price. We can see here at 159, 130% higher within 20 bars, and so that's a 34 minutes of market activity from this bottom to this high here. So anyway, just wanted to bring you this more video here. Keep an eye then on the 250 area for that possible support, bottom, and a roller lower right back to the retest of the 280s and possible breakout. But it will be important to keep an eye on the 5 minute time frame, especially because this time frame might be the one thing that will actually create the bull flag formation then on the 5 minutes instead of the 1 minute, and then roll back up again. But again, you can see here the 250 holding the bottom support. There you go. There comes a little bit of support here. Let's look at the time sales as of people here coming in now. So just keep an eye on that. But for now, I'm gonna end this video here. Happy trading. I'm glad that I was able to bring you something today, and I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, I truly will appreciate it. Any comment, and maybe a subscribe and hitting that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy trading.